Hello friends, welcome back to GA Study channel. Looking for the best English speech for 15 August? You are in the right place. Let's learn it together in very simple words. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is Arya. Today I am very happy to speak a few words about Independence Day. India celebrates Independence Day on 15 August every year. On this day in 1947, our country became free from British rule after many years of struggle. We are thankful to our brave freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru and many others. They sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Our national flag is called the Tiranga. It has three colors: saffron, white, and green. The blue Asoka Chakra in the middle has 24 spokes. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. On this day, we hoist the national flag, sing patriotic song and remember the great heroes of our country. We should always love and respect our country. We should keep our surrounding clean, study well, help others and become good citizen of India. Let us all work together to make our country is strong, peaceful and beautiful. Thank you everyone. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.